Hi everyone! We're back for another balloon tutorial, and this video, it is going to be a mermaid style or a mermaid design balloon garland. So again, I am going to make this for another client, and she requested that the colors will be ocean blue, more of ocean blue, turquoise, and a little bit of purple and light blue. This is going to be a mermaid tail that is going on the side of this backdrop frame, on the side and onto the top portion. Let's check out all our supplies that we are going to use for this balloon garland. Okay, so as I have mentioned earlier, that this mermaid tail balloon garland is going to be more of ocean blue colors, turquoise, and a little bit of purple and light blue. So the purpose of the color of this, the choices of these colors are for to match her backdrop that she ordered online too. At the end of the balloon garland, we are going to attach this curve shaped foil balloon to look like a tail fin. For the design of this balloon garland, I am also going to be using 5 inches latex balloons onto the end portion of the tail. This one. This twisting balloons or 260Q balloons, I'm going to be using them just to tie the garland onto my backdrop frame. And maybe I'm going to be using my hand pump and my electric pump. And for this balloon garland, I am going to be using fishing line. This is a 10-pound fishing line. And also guys, I am going to mention that I will be using this stretchy balloon tape. It's from Click Click. This one-sided adhesive tape is usually used for foil balloons. So since I am going to design the garland with a foil balloon as the tail fin, I am going to use this balloon tape to attach both foil balloons. So that's it for the supplies that I am going to use. And yeah, so let's go ahead and blow up all our balloons. Okay guys, so now we are going to blow up all our balloons with about 8 inches big for the first half portion of our tail. Okay, so here, as always, after I blow up all my balloons, I always like to press while releasing some air to make a rounder shape like this. And then I am just going to tie both balloons. Just tie. There we go. To make it a pair. So since we are going to for the colors of our balloons will be more of this ocean blue and turquoise, I am going to blow up mostly these colors with a little bit of just the purple and blue ones. Now that most of my balloons are blown up or inflated, I am going to do the garland by using my fishing line. I am just going to take a pair, tie my fishing line into the first pair. I wanted to tie them 3 times or even 4 times to secure your knot. So there we go. And then I am going to grab another pair. And then what I am going to do is to push the both middle portion of the pair of the balloon here, pinching both the middle portion, and then I am going to make a figure 8 while tying my fishing line to my second pair, like this. And here we go. So this one is our first pair, and then the second pair. So I am going to squeeze another pair of balloon on top of our second pair while pulling my fishing line, and then making a figure 8 again. And there we go. So that is just what we are going to do for the rest of our balloon garland. Okay guys, so now I have the side portion of my backdrop frame. Okay, so for this backdrop frame, this one is about 6 feet tall. My plan is to create another portion of the garland, but this time it's going to be a smaller balloons over here to kind of match a tail design of the mermaid. So yeah, now I'm going to blow up with the same colors but smaller size of balloons. Okay, so at this point, I am just repeating the same process in tying all the balloons to the fishing line to create the second portion of the garland. If you guys notice that I have included few metallic purple balloons, they are called chrome balloons from latex if you guys want to check it out. Actually, those are some of the balloons I used when I did my decor for our New Year's Eve family dinner. I just thought to make use of it since it also matches the color of the garland. Now, I am adding my small balloons, which are the 5 inches latex balloons, inflated with 2 pumps of air. Okay guys, so now I have both of my balloon garlands. The other one are almost the bigger size, and they are almost the same size. This second balloon garland is like bigger and gradually transition into smaller balloons to match the tail shape. So the reason why I did 2 separate garlands, because I am going to transport this balloon garland to set it up into the hall or to the venue of the party. So, but if you guys are doing it on at your home or stuff like that, you can just go on with the balloon garland until you reach the size that you wanted to do. So what I am going to do now is to tie both balloon garland, just to kind of show you guys what will it look like if I set it up on the backdrop frame. Okay, so what I'm going to do right now is to attach both garlands, and I'm going to tie it using my 260Q balloons. So I just wanted to insert this here. Then onto my second balloon garland. Okay, so I just tied both of my balloon garlands. I am going to tie this garland to my backdrop frame. Okay, so we are going to fill up our foil balloon, the curved shaped foil balloon. Okay guys, so the curved shaped foil balloon looks like this. So we are going to attach both this foil balloon here, so it will look like this. So this stretchy tape is really helpful. It is since it's made really for foil balloons, it sticks really well there. And then what I am going to do is to tie this tail on the end of our balloon garland.